Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to our shop. We're going to showcase a 4RUNNER, a couple Lexus GX 460s, GX 550, Land Cruiser, Sequoia, so basically a few different Toyota SUVs. We're going to start off with this magnetic gray metallic 4RUNNER that's getting a high clearance bumper cut. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. Next up, we have this Lunar Rock 5th generation Toyota 4RUNNER. This one's going with a king suspension setup. We're running the 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around, and some camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms with some old Man Emu rear lift springs. For the wheels on this one, we're going with some RRW RR7H wheels. If you want a set of RRW, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Make sure to use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4. We're wrapping up these RRWs with some 285/70/17 BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2s. If you guys aren't local to us and still want to take advantage of our amazing deals, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and often pre-adjusted suspension lift kits all in stock and ready to ship. You can literally install the package the same day they arrive at your front doorsteps. Next up, we have a second generation Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro. This one is in for a body mount shop, and we're going to be doing a king suspension setup on this one to clear some 35-inch tires. We're running some Dobinson lift springs in the rear end. For the wheels on this one, we're going with some Volk Racing TE37XT Super Lap M specs. Tire of choice here are the Toyo Open Country RT Trails in a 35, 12.5, 18. Next up, we have this black Lexus GX 460 that's in for a king suspension setup. We're running the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks on this one with some camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and some OME rear lift springs. Also running some TE37s on this one with some 285/70/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W tires. And we're also twinning with another black Lexus GX right here. Here's a closer look underneath one of them so you can see the Trio KDSS spacers that we've installed along with the DuraBump bump stops. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up, we have this new Lexus GX 550 that's in for a BAJA Designs preload collar lift setup. We're going to be installing some RRW RR7V matte black face with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring wheel on it with some 35-inch tires. Here you can see our tire tech install and transfer over the TPMS sensor. We're now mounting up the 35, 12.5/17 needle ridge grappler tires. Similar to the RR7H wheel from RRW, the RR7V series is a flow-formed wheel that is lightweight and comes complete with a simulated beadlock ring. The RRW RR7V flow-form wheels are exclusively sold at 88 Rotors only. We do welcome both wholesale and retail customers for the product. The Westcott lift, wheels, and 35-inch tires have been installed, and trimming has been completed for full clearance of the new larger tires. Time to bring this one out for a quick test drive next. Next up, we have this Land Cruiser LC250 that's in for a King suspension setup. We're installing the King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shock setup on here with compression adjusters, EIBACH rear lift springs, as you can see right there, and some Elevate suspension, billet, uniball upper control arms, and the King end links all around. RRW RR7V flow forms are going on here. This right here is the matte black face with the simulated gloss black beadlock ring. Tire of choice here are the BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2s. Next up, we have a 6th generation Toyota 4Runner that's coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. We're also installing some Method MR703s in a 17x8.5 size with a plus 35 offset. Swinging it back over to the Land Cruiser, we've installed the King suspension with the Elevate suspension upper control arms. Next up, we have another Lexus GX 460 that's into upgraded suspension. We're going to be doing the Fox 2.5 Factory Race Series with DSC on here. This vehicle came in with a previously installed set of SPC ball joint upper control arms, so we're just going to leave that as is. You guys want to know a secret? We have a promotion for these Fox Factory Race Series shocks on our website right now. All packages get $500 off with the promo code FOX500. Make sure to enter FOX500 at checkout to receive $500 off and get free shipping on all Fox Factory Race Series packages. This is pretty much going to wrap it up for today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we greatly appreciate your continued support. It means a lot to us. Until next time, take care, guys.